Hi everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel.
Hello friends. Today we are going to help you learn simple English conversation.
Yes, our conversation is very easy and useful for daily life.
So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after us.
Let's begin. Hi Ben.
Hi Laura. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
That's good to hear.
Yes. It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is very pleasant.
I agree. I like this kind of weather.
Me too. It makes me feel happy and relaxed.
So Laura, what do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock every day.
That's early. What do you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do some light exercise for 10 minutes.
That's a good habit.
Thank you. What about you, Ben?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes. Not every day.
You should exercise daily. It's good for health.
You're right. I will try.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink coffee. What about you?
I prefer tea.
Do you eat fruits?
Yes, I eat fruits every morning.
That's very healthy.
Yes, healthy food keeps us energetic.
Laura, are you working or studying?
I'm working as a teacher.
That's great. What do you teach?
I teach English to beginners.
Wow. That's amazing.
Thank you. What about you?
I work in an office.
What kind of work do you do?
I handle customer support.
Is your job stressful?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it.
Ben, do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. But sometimes it's difficult.
That's normal. Learning a new language takes time.
How can I improve my English?
Practice every day.
Practice speaking or writing.
Both. Speaking is very important.
I feel shy when I speak English.
Don't be shy. Making mistakes is okay.
That's encouraging. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like fast food?
Not really. I prefer home-cooked food.
I like pizza and burgers.
They taste good, but they are not healthy.
Yes, I know. I should eat better.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Nice. I like romantic movies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What kind of books?
English storybooks.
What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes with my friends.
Walking is good for health.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
That's nice.
How do you feel today, Ben?
I feel happy.
Why are you happy?
Because I'm learning English.
That's wonderful.
How do you feel?
I feel calm and positive.
What are your future plans?
I want to improve my English teaching skills.
That's a great goal.
What about you?
I want to speak English fluently.
You can do it with practice.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
No, I read a book.
That's a good habit.
It was nice talking to you, Ben.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
I hope our friends learned something today.
Yes. Practice these sentences every day.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.